Are you a business owner in Mozambique aiming to enhance your credibility and efficiency? ISO certification could be your key to success. With Popularcert, the process is straightforward and accessible. ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, sets global standards for quality and safety. In Mozambique, a rapidly growing economy with sectors like energy and construction, ISO certification is crucial for competing internationally. Popularcert offers a variety of ISO certifications tailored to your needs, including ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 14001 for environmental management, and ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety, among others. We ensure your business meets international best practices. ISO certification enhances customer trust, streamlines internal processes, and ensures compliance with regulations. It provides a competitive edge, making your business stand out in the global market. It's more than just a certificate. It's a mark of excellence. ISO certification is a globally recognized standard that helps businesses meet international benchmarks in quality, safety, and environmental practices. Whether it's ISO 9001 for quality or ISO 45001 for health and safety, each standard enhances your reputation. In Maputo, Mozambique's growing economic hub, ISO certification is transformative. It's crucial for industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. With ISO certification, businesses comply with regulations and build trust with customers and investors. Popularcert assists businesses in Maputo with key ISO standards such as ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 14001 for environmental management, ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety, ISO 22000 for food safety, and ISO 27001 for information security. At Popularcert, we simplify ISO certification. Our expert consultants guide you through documentation, implementation, training, and final certification. We ensure you're audit-ready and compliant, all without disrupting your operations. ISO certification offers improved efficiency, reduced waste, higher customer satisfaction, global recognition, and enhanced workplace safety. Ready to elevate your business in Maputo? Get ISO certified with Popularcert today and start your journey to global standards.